So I have here a centering microscope, and this one is adjustable in 3 directions. So this is one direction, then here is another direction, and here is another direction. And this direction is special because there is the possibility, or there's a clock included, to have a readout and use it also as a measurement microscope. Yeah, so the distance to the object is about 28 centimeters. And so here's this is the brand. The enlargement here is 25 times. This is the Leitz Eyepiece Periplan. This is a very high quality piece, and yeah, it comes in a big storage box. This one here, which says Berthold, Switzerland. Yeah, I hope that I gave enough information about this, and somebody sees possibility to use it in some way. I will make another video where it's connected to a Shaolin 70 and to use it as a centering microscope and measurement microscope. One thing is good to notice is that when you move it up, it looks like you're moving down, so somehow it's the picture is inverted. Oh, that's I think that's what I saw. Okay, thank you for watching.